Deadlocks here again, using the modified cheap jackknife, this time to escape the Clejuso model 11r. I nearly said the wrong one there. I'm actually just going to use the standard deep hook, which I haven't modified at all. Because
it works.
Yep.
Is that the double lock?
Yeah, I was just double checking that I actually got the double lock.
What is that dog doing? Keeps walking, but then he's got his sock in his mouth, so he keeps standing on it and then pulling his head, as if to say he's playing tug with himself. You come here, I'll play with you, you turnip. Come here. Oh,
You were looking for one in here somewhere.
nah, I got rid of him.
There we go.
Ah, that one hurt.
That's me. Escape from the Clejuso model.
You're only done one. That's not an escape.
Yeah,
That's not an escape.
I have two hands free
It's
now.
not an escape. It's not an escape.
Are you happy now?
Escape.
No, totally free. Oh, Mrs. Deadlocks is happy.
Yeah.
I will actually show you how I did this one because there's a bit of a technique to it.
Okay.
I'll show you that now.
Will you? Thanks.
Back again, the Clejuso 11r. I didn't actually modify anything at all with this. I just used the deep hook, which is just standard. What I want to show you is why, and why they're a bit tricky. I probably shouldn't have done that though.
What did you do?
I double locked it when I want the ball out the way. If you look in here, get a good view of what's going on. If you say there, that is the double locking bar. When it double locks, pushes along like that. Now I use the deep hook to hook into the keyway and push on it just to knock it back out the way, just like that. And the tricky thing about the Clejuso cuffs,
There's a big thing in the middle.
is the lock and pull, because you can actually end up a little bit on this side of it or on the other side of it and miss it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of poking around to get yourself onto the pole, but that deep hook pushes it out of the way nicely. That's the weirdness of, well, not the only weirdness of these massively wide Clejusos that don't even fit in frame, but that's them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
You just put the double lock back on.
No, I did it.
Hey! Now we've got another 15 minutes for the other cuff.
No, it's true, face.